Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Today is, let's see, Thursday, March 4th, actually, 2010. And this is the night before the big bad unemployment data is due out tomorrow morning. For the past 3 days here, let's zoom in on that right quick. Get a better look at it. The past 3 days, 1, 2, and 3, we basically just traded in this tight 50-point range. Around 10.4, let's see, 10.469 is our high. Today was an up day, but it didn't actually commit to anything. There was no serious volume behind it. It was just an up move. But again, tomorrow's data that comes out on the unemployment front is definitely going to be the deciding factor as to what we do at this exact point. The bottom line here is the unemployment news is going to tell the market what the heck whether or not this economic recovery is being confirmed by the data, or whether it's more likely that we're going to see a double dip to the lows. So if the news comes out tomorrow bullish, I would look for this 10.729 to get tested. Maybe not all in one day, but definitely look for it to start moving towards this line here. If it doesn't, I'll take this little line right here, started from the top and started from the bottom, and just go like that, because I'll call that the peak. Most technical guys, they're not going to tell you that this is peaking signals or anything else going on here. We kind of run ahead of the pack this because the way we do our MPT rating and stuff like that. But most guys are going to tell you to look at this number here. When this breaks down, as far as this 9835.09, if they saw it fall 1 penny below this, they would then say it has shifted to a downtrend. Personally, if your unemployment data comes in bearish tomorrow, you're not going to be able to rally off that information. It's going to fall, and when it does, you're going to have a lower high. In order to break that setting up trend, they're going to have to fall lower to get bulls interested enough to rally again and test this high. When that basically, if you see lower highs, you can expect to see lower lows. I mean, there's no sense in sitting here missing a whole move just because you're waiting for this confirmation down here. There's some cases where it's wiser to do that, but right now I've got quite a few different indicators and signals telling me that this needs to be monitored real close. So if you're long this market, I'd keep a tight stop. Be watching that news that comes out tomorrow morning. That's going to be a market mover right there. For now, we're just sitting here holding this same right we're doing right here. We've brought ourselves back up to do that again. We tried to rally out this point before, and bears shot us down. Well, now we're here again, and if this unemployment data doesn't give us what we want for the bulls at least, we're probably going to break down on this. That's my take on it. If you're not a full access member and you want to be one, you need to go to our website, sign up, pay the $145 a year, and you will be cool like the rest of us. You'll have access to alerts that are not available to our free users. You'll also know everything I do in my portfolio, where I'm turning $2,000 into $1 million right in front of our full access members. It's a pretty big deal. I'm pretty sure you want to be there. And at $145 a year, heck, I'd sign up. All right, I'll see you all tomorrow morning. Let's go make some money.